Tanaka-san is really famous for Japanese learners. Tobira is also fine, but a little bit different. Fire! Can you guys see that? This is not Naruto. Don't we have Ma words? Ma? Okay, I will write down, but actually this is uncommon. Yeah, so which means room. So basically, like for traditional Japanese house or Japanese ryokan, nani nani no ma? Ma. Which means room. So period の前のかな? Yeah, so two meanings. 次。me. What does me mean? Me. I have me. What does me mean in this sentence? Buri-san, correct. It's body and fruits. Me. これは seed. Fruits. で、もう一個がこっち。me. これは body. There is an anime with the Shinka no Mi. So like, you know, like Luffy? Gomu Gomu no Mi? Gomu Gomu no Mi. So Gomu Gomu, fruits of Gomu Gomu. Like rubber? Yes. What is the most common between mi and kudamono? Mi means also seed. So any kinds of seeds. You know, like fruits is a seed of the tree, right? Yes. So mi is basically all kinds of seed. And fruits included in mi seed. But fruits is basically kudamono means fruit. So like banana, apple, pineapple, you know, like lemon and kind of like that. Yes. Chestnut is also mi. But chestnut is not a fruit, but it's seeds. Yeah, so it's mi. Alright,次. Guys, what does me mean? Ne has two meanings. Oh, yes. The first one is eye. Eyes. So, これですね。Eye. Eyes. 目。And one more. Oh, nice. So, Vicky-san, Buri-san, correct. So, sprout, like bud and sprout. So, it depends on the kanji character, different meaning, but same pronunciation. Me. Me. This kanji means eyeball. So それも入れとこうね。This kanji is also me, but this is eyeball. Eyeball. Yes, and this is eye in general. So like this kanji includes like eyelids around the eye. So it depends on the context. We use this kanji or this kanji. Alright, the next one is ya. What does ya mean? Store. You mean this kanji, right? But you need to say nani nani ya, like bookstore, honya or something. Only ya cannot be used. Oh, yeah, arrow. Correct. Yeah, particle. Tricky. Yeah, but today it's only noun, but you're correct. Yeah, ya is also particle, but as a noun, ya means arrow. Yes. Yeah, this kanji is arrow. Arrow, yes. Oh, by the way, speaking of arrow, do you know how to say bow in Japanese? Oh, yumi, nice. So yumi desu, yumi. Yumi. Each accent. Yumi. Alright, the next one is you. Guys, what does you mean? So actually, only one kanji character, but two meanings. You mean chai? Chai? You? This is you. You in English is you. You. So one more stroke. So it's just you. You. Oh, you. Yes, correct. Hot spring, nice. So first one is at hot water. This kanji is hot water. And the second meaning of this kanji is bath. The hot water is general, and you means bath is it's uncommon. And this is just general. So how do you say hot water in daily conversation? In daily conversation is you need to put prefix or and you. I think this is much common more than just you or you. So this is prefix, so sound like more polite. Yes, and you means hot water. So excuse me, do you have oyu? So do you have hot water? So like osake, okane, kind of like that. Yes, okome. Yes. 湯を飲みますか? Or is it specifically bath water? Basically, would you like to drink hot water? Not the bath. Like, which context do you use you? Which mean bath. 例えば, you know, like when I take bath, like, I am taking bath here is Nako. This is me. and oh, this is a really nice bath. Nice bath. This is like so いい湯だな。そう、いい湯だな。いい湯。いい湯だな。い means good. 湯 means bath. So, だな is like same by myself. So, いい湯だな。あはは。いい湯だな。あはは。Yeah, this is a very famous song for onsen. Hot water or bath. Yes. Alright guys, the next one is the last one. What does wa mean? Wa. Oh, Sui-san correct. This kanji. Wa. So what does this kanji character mean? Is basically full meaning. Number one is ring. And the second one is circle shape. And the third one is wheel. And fourth one is kind of like a community. So yubiwa. Yubiwa is finger ring. But just ring. Like this planet has ring. This is wa. Okay, just quick review time. This is 50 onju list, and it depends on the sound. It's different meaning. Single sound word. The first one is I, stomach. It means picture and painting. Ka means mosquito. Ka. Oh my gosh, there is ka. There is mosquito. Just say ka. Ki. It depends on the kanji, different meaning. So the first kanji is tree, wood. And second kanji, spirit or energy. Ke means hair or fur. Ku means word or haiku. And ko means child. But basically it's formal, so it's uncommon. So instead of ko, we use kodomo, this word, kodomo. And su means vinegar or nest. And it depends on the kanji, different meaning. Se means back of the body or height. Ta means rice paddy field, but this is also uncommon. In daily conversation, we usually say tambo, which means rice paddy field. Next one, chi. Chi means blood. Chi. Te means hand. So I have a hand. To means door. But today, it's a bit uncommon. So it sounds like a little bit old expression in my opinion. So you can say door. Yeah, it's a loan word, and which means the door. Ne. Ne means root. But it's also formal, so it's uncommon. So common one is neko, neko, and ha. Ha has two meanings, leaf and tooth, teeth. It depends on the kanji, different. But yeah, ha mean as leaf is also formal, so it's uncommon. So in daily conversation, we say happa, happa, instead of only ha. And he means fire or day, and it depends on the kanji. It's different. Ku is a Japanese food, a traditional Japanese ingredient made from wheat gluten. But basically, we put o, prefix o, and we say ohu, ohu. And mi, seed, fruit, this kanji, and body, this kanji. そしてme, well, 3 kanji characters. Eyeball, eye in general, and bud sprout. Ya means arrow. そして you means hot water or bath. And wa means ring, circle, wheel, and community. Nice! Thank you for watching my stream today. What about cha? Ah, nice suggestion. I think this is also single sound. Yes. So today, actually, like only general hiragana character, but cha is also single word. So because one more, cha is T だね。T. Yes, nice. ありがとう。Yes, this is the last one. Thank you, listen. ありがとうみんな。Thank you very much.